And if anyone ever gives you shit for being who you are, tell them I will kick their ass. I know me. Like, I compare myself to how someone shits, breathes, blinks, and like scratches their ass. You know, where's my vape? Where is 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 my vape? I'm smoking just straight up fucking plastic at this point because it's empty. We gotta get my electrolytes. We need balance. We need the balance, babe. What are we talking about today? I don't know. I just literally stared into the abyss for like 8 hours. It's crazy. Hold on, this hottie's texting me. How? Hello, icons. Welcome back to my channel. I miss you guys so fucking much. I would get up and give you your daily hug, but I'm sore from the gym. So that's not happening. Hug yourself, bitch. Come in. Come bring it in, babe. I love you so much, and I hope you're doing well. Don't forget to work out today. Don't forget to get your protein today. Don't forget to go after your dreams today. Here are some electrolytes to get you started. They're blueberry. Blueberry. Shit, maybe there's shit in here. Here is some blueberry. This is the only thing that you should be swallowing, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to me, hi, my name is John. Think of me as your sassy, guardian angel, okay? Your sassy GBF, your most feral, unhinged guardian angel here. In all seriousness, I love to help the misfits. I love to help the misfits of creations, the sluts, the visionaries, the outcasts, the full-time creatives, anyone that was labeled different or a dreamer, scapegoat, black sheep, girlies, the gays, the theys, no matter what you identify as, the outcasts of society. I like to think of my channel, my social medias, all of them, as a cute little corner of the internet where we can go and just be our cute little feral, unhinged selves and just vibe. And just remember that we are so worthy no matter what society has made us believe to be true about ourselves, okay? Even though we might take it up the ass or eat some kitty cat, we deserve to have our dream fucking life, okay? So, when I was kind of sitting down and like wanting to film, I was like, what do we talk about? Because you guys know I don't script. So with that being said, go ahead and like the video because I know you'll love it. Go ahead and comment. Anything you guys want me to talk about. I know I have so many suggestions to catch up with. I took a little bit of a break and the video is going to be kind of involving that. Yeah, so I took a little bit of a break because to be honest with the TikTok news, I'm not trying to fearmonger. I don't know what's going to happen. I really feel safe in my body that nothing's going to happen. But of course I do have anxiety. So yeah, finding out about the whole TikTok potential ban was kind of paralyzing me. It's like, what's the point? I'm gonna like lose everything. What's the point? The sadness with the Los Angeles I keep saying wildfires is so fucking devastating. You know, just the amount of pain and suffering that's going on in this world, and like it's just a lot. So I was just kind of dealing with a lot of stuff, and you know, I kind of wasn't feeling the most creatively inspired. And then also, you know, I've been affirming for, you know, the growth of my TikTok, getting back into the algorithm. And here comes the video. And full transparency, I was getting fucking triggered by my 3D. And this kind of really started, catapulted very big today and yesterday, because I don't ever scroll on TikTok because I know that I compare myself. I don't ever scroll on social media really because I compare myself a lot. I kind of just post and go ghost. I have the worst comparison problem that I'm still kind of working through. And I saw this tarot reader and he was so hot. So I went to go click on his profile to follow him, and I watched a few of his videos, and then in my head, I was just like having a moment of jealousy. I was like, not to be mean, but this person is kind of boring, and their videos are literally popping off. I feel like I have a more crazy personality, entertaining personality, and I put really hard fucking work into it. What's wrong with me? You know, and I kind of get wrapped up in the numbers and the views and thinking that if my views are down, it means I don't matter anymore. I'm not important anymore. I'm not funny anymore. And I'm still kind of doing my own kind of shadow work and processing and healing around that. I know a lot of it stems from my childhood, not feeling worthy. But that's where this video kind of comes in, and talking about, you know, what usually causes a spiral. Again, I know that everyone is different, and you know, people get triggered differently and with different things. So just take what resonates and leave what fucking doesn't. And maybe this video has nothing to do with you and where you are at right now. That's fine. Just go back and maybe come back with the next video. I might post twice today because I'm also feeling really called to post an EFT tapping video. I might post twice today. But yeah. So I do think, just from kind of observing myself and observing where I get triggered and when I get triggered and what triggers me, I think that there's maybe 50 to 95% reason why we spiral, myself included, is because we check the 3D, okay? And I want to pause right here before I forget this point. This is why sometimes going more general with affirmations, thoughts, rampages might be a little bit beneficial for some people that struggle with anxiety or outsourcing validation like I do, even if it's not necessarily around numbers with views. Insert whatever it is. Maybe you I also find that I like outsource validation in men. So maybe it's like you outsource validation in relationships or potential partners or men or women or numbers or your bank account or experiences. I think general is very important. Going general with your thoughts and affirmations are important, because for me, I was saying I have millions of followers on TikTok. All my TikTok videos blow up. But as someone that struggles with anxiety and also has to use TikTok a lot for their job, part-time job, I'm not a full-time content creator yet. Full transparency, I am a full-time content creator. I am a full-time content creator. I am a full-time content creator. But it is still part of my daily routine, right? I'm manifesting being a full-time content creator, so obviously I have to go on the app, I have to film, I have to post, and sometimes I do see other people's videos, because I do like scrolling. I love scrolling and seeing and getting inspired and seeing what other people are posting, but I know me, I compare myself to how someone shits, breathes, blinks, and like scratches their ass, you know? Wow, see, I'm really funny. Like, I think I'm genuinely funny and different, so stay to the end and watch all the way through. It really helps me out in the algorithm. Even if you want to put your phone down and go do some chores or go food shopping, it really does help me out in the algorithm. You know, that's just some tips for your creators in general, not just me. Make sure you support your creators by liking, engaging, watching all the way through, or favoriting their posts. You know, just helping your favorite creators. Sorry, I don't script. I kind of just speak from the heart. Oh yeah, so I was being very specific. You know, I have to go on the app. I'm going to come across my numbers. It's really hard to avoid that, because I do like responding to comments. So I go on my profile. You know, I do love responding and connecting and engaging with you guys. So I do see the numbers from time to time. So for me, like, I have to start going more general. I have millions of supportive followers. I have a supportive community. All my social media posts go viral. All my social media posts go viral. All my social media posts go viral, right? It's not just one app, because then maybe my YouTube will take off and I can create like a second channel where it's more like vlogs and still keep my self-help, but also not kind of feel like I'm confined in a niche and like gaining a community that way. Like, I really do feel like there's endless ways that our manifestations can really come through. But we are so kind of triggered on our current reality, and then it's like, oh fuck, like, it's not working, right? So when I open up the TikTok app and sometimes I get triggered, I look at the views, oh my god, it's not working. I've been affirming, like, there must be something innately wrong with me. I've been affirming, like, why is God punishing me, right? And that whole spiral is really coming from the 3D. The 3D. I know that it's possible for me because I had several videos blow up within the past month when I felt like my videos were stagnant for a year. God's not punishing me. I just have to kind of figure out what works. I have to keep trying. I have to keep posting. You're not giving up because, Johnny Anthony, you know that's the only way that you will not succeed and reach your goal of being a full-time content creator. So keep posting, you know? So whatever it is for you, like I'm trying to think of general affirmations. Maybe you get triggered by saying, you know, your person's name, right? So maybe you can be like, whoever I desire desires me more. Every man commits to me. Every man wants to commit to me. Every man treats me like a priority, or he treats me like a priority, or my SP. Like, find a way to get general because people get so triggered by the 3D. All right. So I really do think that a big reason why we spiral is because we are getting caught up in the 3D. Now, how do I kind of pull myself out of this? I am someone that loves the, somatic approach. There are some people in the law of assumption manifestation community that think or believe or like to just, you're new in every moment, drop it. Okay, yes, that is true. I could easily sit here and just decide, oh, that's not me. But again, anxiety is so much deeper than that. You know, anxiety and if some people, I do think, you know, need a somatic approach. If you have been through a really rough past, you might not agree, but this is just the way that I approach it. I can't lie and say I'm not a somatic type of guy. I am. And somatic means getting into the body. So I like my EFT tapping. I like my breath work. I like my yin yoga. I like working out. I like all of that stuff, right? So again, I can never tell you what to do. All I can do is encourage you, try, and maybe try it for 7 days to build up a habit or to see effects, right? And then if you like some things, you like some things. If you don't, you don't. So the way that I move through spirals is moving and getting into my body, right? So for example, I went on live this morning and it kind of spiraled because there was nobody in there. Nothing was working. I was like, okay, clearly I'm not important anymore. And then I went to the gym. I lifted, I ran, I walked. I felt more like good, stable. Came home. Before I showered, I did an EFT tapping. Showered and did like a short little guided meditation. What did I do? Inner child guided meditation. It was like only 12 minutes. I found something on YouTube. And here I am now. Because I'll have to allow myself to feel. Because if I just kind of stuff it down or pretend or gaslight, it doesn't work for me. It doesn't work for me. It keeps coming up. And I like having tools that I can go to in my toolbox that help me whenever I need them. Again, because I'm someone that has actual mental health issues like anxiety and depression, I need a little bit more of a somatic approach. Choosing just if I was spiraling and just saying, okay, nope, I choose to be this person, I would still have those emotions and those feelings within me that I personally would like to work through. So I spiral, I find ways to do guided meditations and EFT tapping, a breath work, working out. I will kind of, in my case, stay off social media, stay off the phone. So put your phone away if you find yourself, looking for a text, like basically going and getting a life, going and getting a life. Something that I also do is like talk to myself. I talk to my anxiety or my inner critic voice, whatever it is at the time. So if I ever get like a negative thought, I'm like, John Anthony, that's not true. That negative thought of you feeling not good enough is just stemming from your mother. I'm sorry to break it to you, but you were motherfucking born worthy. Being a full-time content creator, making millions of people laugh through your content, through your art, is something that's going to happen because it's on your heart, and you know that when you have the success, when you have the abundance, when you have the impact, you're going to be sharing, you're going to be donating, you're going to be spoiling people. The universe, God knows your heart. You are a good person. You are a motherfucking good person. You deserve money. Like, that's how I also go talk to myself. Do not sleep on the somatic approaches. Do not sleep on the regulating the nervous system. Anything that you can do to calm yourself after reacting to the 3D. Because that, I do believe that's why a lot of us spiral, is because we get caught up in the 3D, and then you kind of get brought back into that old version of you where it's like, oh, nothing's working, this is scam, nothing's working. Deep breaths, okay? I think I'm actually going to upload an EFT tapping. I'm going to film it right now. I'm probably going to upload it after this for comparison. So go save that to a playlist. Make a little private YouTube playlist called Healing or Tapping or somatic exercises, and put the EFT tappings in there. Go find other EFT tappings and create a cute little playlist. Go put meditations, affirmations, subliminals, anything that you can do, come back to daily to help you with your nervous system and your mind and make it cute and simple for you. All right, beautiful souls. So that was this video. I'm so excited to be back. I love you guys so, so much, forever and always. And if anyone ever gives you shit for being who you are, tell them I will kick their ass. I love you so much.